Hello, my name is Joe Lemley. I'm the inventor of the Super Walk Assist. I was diagnosed with MS about 16 years ago, and I lost complete use of my legs. I've worked my way back to where I can at least stand, but it's hard for me to move my feet forward, and I invented this Walk Assist to help me increase my stride, keep my balance on a walker, and where I can go and have activities with my wife, to the grocery store, and to the gym and exercise. And I want to show you the difference. Now I'm going to show you a little later how I walk with my walker without it. You'll see it's almost impossible for me to walk without this, but with it you'll think I'm a normal person with a normal just walking, and it's pretty miraculous. So I'm giving this so all of you will have an opportunity to be able to have the same ability. Now I want you to see the difference between having the Walk Assist on my foot and the stride. Miraculous. Almost feel normal. You have to remember, I could not walk at all without this.